paper too. I want to show it as well.
Really? Luna, what is your great news?
Look at this. I got 95 in math today.
Really? Luna, what is your great news?
Look at this. I got 95 in math today.
Wow, Luna, this is excellent work. We are very proud of you, Luna. You worked very hard for this result.
Yes, Mom. I worked really hard for this. Mom, I have my paper too.
Okay, Lily, let's see your marks.
I got 75 B grade.
B is good, Lily, but you can do better. Try a little harder next time, okay?
Okay, Mom. I will practice more.
Don't worry, Lily. You will improve soon.
Luna, wait here. We have a surprise for you.
Really? What is it, Dad?
Open this box and see inside.
Wow, a new tablet. Thank you so much.
This tablet will help you in your studies.
I'm happy for her, but a little sad because no one gave me a gift.
Wow, this tablet is amazing. I can play so many games on it.
I want to play games too. Luna, your tablet is amazing. Can I play a game on it too?
Sorry, Lily, not right now. This tablet is mine.
I worked hard and got good grades to earn it. Oh, okay. I understand.
If you want your own tablet, you should study harder too.
All right, I will try my best next time.
Let's see. We need apples, bread, and milk.
Lily, look around. There are many shops.
These apples look fresh.
Yes, take a few. They look very good.
I hope someone helps me today.
Wait, Luna, look at that old man. Oh, he looks very poor.
I'm sorry, Lily. I cannot help. Let's go.
Here, take these coins for your food.
Thank you, child. God bless you.
You are welcome. Stay safe.
Look, Lily gave her pocket money to the beggar.
Yes. Luna ignored him.
Lily's heart is very kind. Marks are not everything. Kindness is more important.
You are right. A kind heart is more important than good grades. Girls, today in the market, we saw something important.
Yes, we saw what happened with the beggar.
Luna walked away, but Lily helped him.
That was very kind of you, Lily.
Sorry, Lily.
I should have helped him too. I was thinking only about myself.
It's okay, Luna. Next time, we can help together.
Girls, good grades are nice, but kindness is more important.
Yes, a kind heart matters the most.
Lily, We also have a special gift for you.
Really? For me?
Yes!
Because you showed a kind heart today.
Wow, a phone! Thank you, Mom and Dad.
That's great, Lily. Now you have a phone.
If you want, I can share my phone with you. And I can share my tablet with you, too.
Marks are important, but a good heart is more important.
Helping others is the real success in life.
I understand now, Lily. Love you. Love you too, Luna.
Thanks for watching, everyone!
Yes! Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.